Hey everyone, in this quick video I will show you how to organize workflows using Notion template step by step in 2025. Start by grabbing a workflow or process template from Notion gallery or community. Duplicate it into your own workspace so you don't build anything. Include fields like workflow name, owner status, priority, due date, and description. Customize the template to match your process and add properties for dependencies, SLA, turn A, checklist items, and link in related projects or clients. Create a task sub-template inside the workflow so every new workflow instance spawns the same task automatically. Use multiple views to manage workboard view for a Kanban style, flow timeline for schedule visibility, calendar for deadlines, and a table for a master overview. Apply filters for owner, priority, or overdue items. Make it reprintable with template buttons. A single click creates a new workflow instantly with all tasks, all due dates pre-filled. For notifications and handoffs, add review, approval fields, and use the mentioned comment inside the workflow page. Automate with Zapier or Make if you need external triggers from submissions. Slack messages or CRM events can create new workflows in Notion automatically. Finally, test one run, collect feedbacks, tweak the template, and lock in permissions for sensitive workflows so only the right person can edit the template. And that's it. Thanks everyone for watching.